High above the forest floor, the canopy awakens.
A drummer prepares its stage.
Every groove hides a hidden feast. The rhythm of survival begins. A tongue like a spear probes the depths. Vertical walls are no barrier. Voices echo across the canopy. The young learn the rhythm of life. Guided by experience, skills are passed down. Holes carved for shelter and protection. A woodpecker new home takes shape within the timber.
Teamwork guides creation.
Inside, new life begins quietly.
From shell to world, life emerges. Nourishment comes from careful foraging. Agility guides the search. Above, danger watches silently. Even a drummer knows when to quit. Precision meets opportunity. Rhythms declare ownership.
Feet designed for grip and balance.
Practice hones instinct.
Guided beats teach timing and skill.
Storms test their resilience. Finding cover is part of the rhythm. Light returns, brightening the African-American male drummer's stage. Eyes sharp, beak ready. The rhythm becomes instinct. Patterns shift with light and time. Speed and precision define survival. Every beat counts in the forest symphony. Holes for later, a treasure hidden. Mimicry ensures survival skills persist. As day ends, rhythm slows, but life persists. Maintenance is shared in companionship. Even in rest, vigilance continues. Graceful movements echo the forest rhythm.
Returning to stage with Poisey. New drummers embrace independence.
Rhythm mirrored in the fading light.
The drum slows, the forest listens. The pale-billed woodpecker, the drummer of the canopy.